welcome back to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Welcome if this is your first time here. Today I am going to be making lemon sugar cookies per my brother's request. He loves a great citrus cookie, especially lemon. So that's what I'm going to make today. Consider subscribing and stay tuned. Here are my ingredients. I have brown sugar, white sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 room temperature eggs, vanilla extract, lemon extract, butter extract, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and I have lemon zest and a little bit of lemon juice. This part is optional. I decided to go with brown butter, but you can stick to regular butter as well. So I'm going to begin by adding in my sugars. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, lemon extract, and butter extract. I'm also going to add in my 2 room temperature eggs and my dry mixture. I want to mix until everything's fully incorporated. Once your cookie dough is ready, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or you can leave it in there overnight, 3 days if you really want the flavor to pop. Once you're finished rolling out your dough, you can put it in the oven on 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. These are what my cookies look like. They have cooled, and now I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon icing that I made earlier on top. Okay, that's it. We are finished. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Shalom.